Section 11.8, expected value. In this section, we are going to compute expected value and use it to solve applied problems. Also to determine the average payoff or loss in a game of chance. Let's see the definition. Expected value is a mathematical way to use probabilities to determine what to expect in various situations over the long run. Expected value is used to determine premiums on insurance policies with the risk versus the benefits in alternatives in business ventures. Also to indicate to a player of any game of chance what will happen if the game is played repeatedly. Expected value can be computed by the sum of the product of each possible outcome and its probability. Let's see example. The first one, an automobile insurance company has determined the probabilities for various claim amounts to the nearest 2,000 for drivers aged 16 through 21 as shown in the table. We are going to calculate the expected value and describe what this means in practical terms. From the table, we have the amount of claim in dollars and the probability of each claim. First of all, to compute, we're going to create another column, which is the column of the product of the amount claimed and its probability. So we're going to multiply 0 and 0.7 to get 0, 2,000 and 0.15 to get 300, 4,000 and 0.08 to get 320. The next one is 6,000 multiplied by its probability, which is 0.05 or 300. 8,000 multiplied by 0.01 to get 80. The last one is 10,000 multiplied by 0.01 or the result is 100. And then we're gonna find the sum of this column. That is the expected value. And the notation for expected value is the notation the letter E. So the E or the expected value is 0 plus 300 plus 320 plus 300 plus 80 plus 100. And the sum of these numbers is 1,100. What does it mean? So we can use this number to explain in the practical term as in the long run. The average cost of a claim is $1,100, which is the very least the insurance company should charge to break even. In this problem, the table shows claims and probabilities for an insurance company. The first column is about the amount of claim. The second one is about the probability. In part A, we are going to calculate the expected value and describe what this means in practical terms. In part B, how much should that company charges as an average premium so that it breaks even on its claim cost. And the last one, how much should the company charge to make a profit of $75 per policy? So let's get started. on part A to find the expected value. To compute the expected value, we have to find the product of the claim and its probability. Then we're going to create another column, which is the column of the product of the claim amount and its probability. So 0 multiplied by 0.55 to get 0. 50,000 multiplied by 0.25 to get 12,500. The next one, $100,000 multiplied by 0.15 to get 15,000. The next one is 15,000 multiplied by 0.02 to get 3,000. Next one, $200,000 multiplied by 0.02 equals 4,000. The last one is 250,000 multiplied by 0.01 to get 2,500. Now, from what we have of this column, we're going to add them all up to as we calculate the expected value. So the value E, or the expected value, is the sum of the numbers 0, 12,500, 15,000, 3,000, 4,000, and 2,500. And the sum is $37,000. And what does it mean? Actually, it means, as the answer in part A, which is the amount that the company should charge as an average premium so that it breaks even on its claim cost. So it means in a practical term is the question in part B, and the answer for the part B is $37,000. And the last one, how much should the company charge to make a profit of $75 per policy? If to break even at $37,000, to get the profit of $75 per policy, you're gonna have to add $75 to each average cost. So the company should charge $37,075 to make a profit of $75 per policy.